Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on DOOGEE X97 Pro. To do this, you will need to open a Google Play Store, find Microsoft Edge on the top. Here begin the setup, so there's introduction that you can read through. I'm gonna skip it. Show wallpapers, show most visited sites, or show newsfeed on the homepage of your Edge browser. Click on next when you're ready. Add the account to turn on synchronization. You can skip it by clicking on not now. Set Microsoft Edge as a default browser. Here click on confirm, and your browser should be ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.